Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching Global Tales. I believe there are so many women and girls out there who often compromise on their preferences and choices, and specifically when it comes to their health and fitness, just because they are not financially independent.
Today's topic is not directly related to health and fitness, but yes, is one of the most important aspect of self-love. I really want all the women and girls out there to be financially independent because it gives you that sense of confidence to make your own choices. Now the question is how to be financially independent and how to earn money. There are so many women and girls out there who might not find it easy to go out and work because of their family responsibilities and personal problems. And you need a way to earn at your home itself and start something of your own. But starting a business is not that easy. You need lots of preparations, planning, and also lots of investment. So as I was going through one of the articles regarding financial independence, I came across this application called Shop 101 and I found it very interesting. Firstly, the most important point that I got attracted to in this application was that it doesn't require any investment. All you need to do is find out some products that you think might be liked by someone in your family, your friends, or any people that you know, and you need to just share that product on your WhatsApp.
Download Shop 101 application from Play Store or App Store and then browse through the high quality saris, kurtis, bedsheet, t-shirts and more products that are sourced from India's top sellers. All of these are the basic products and you need them in your daily routine. So all you need to do is just share them in any of the social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram, where you think people are there to purchase these products. So once they buy these products, then you will get the margin that is specified for that product particularly. Another very positive point about this application is that you receive weekly payments and you do not have to wait for the entire month to receive your payments. All you need to do is register with your bank details where you want your money to be transferred, and then you'll get all the money that you have earned for that week transferred into your bank account directly. Also, there might be a case when your friends and family are not that much acquainted with online shopping and find it difficult. So all you need to do is buy the product for them, fill in their details, their address details and all other requirements, and then after that select cash on delivery as your payment option. So they will receive the product, they'll pay for it and you'll get the margin. So this reselling at Shop 101 is very simple.
And I really thought that it would be great if all the women and girls out there start earning from their home right there, right itself. All you need is a phone and your WhatsApp and you need to share the product. If they like it, they'll just purchase and you'll get the margin. And I think it's a very easy process, a most reliable one, and you will need not to worry about the investment and you can earn from your home. So instead of wasting your time in forwarding fake WhatsApp news and saying good mornings and good evenings in your WhatsApp group, you can use that platform to earn money and become financially independent, because it's very, very important. And as I always say, self-love is very, very important to give you that satisfaction to love everyone around you. So yes, I really found this topic very important. That's why I came up with this short small video for all of you. You can check out the details about the application in my description, and so all you need to do is just install this application, share the products that you find might be liked by your friends, family and all the people around you, and definitely I assure you that you'll be in the best possible mindset. And I think being financially independent will make you satisfied in your mind space and be confident about making your own choices and preferences. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. So many health and fitness related videos that are very, very important are coming up on my channel. All you need to do is stay tuned, hit the notification bell along with the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And also comment below with your question. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to mention the city name along with your comments so that we can plan for great meetups for our GGT family. So yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.